How to clear system storage on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to settings. Number one step, go to software update and then go to download and install. Make sure you have the latest version of your software in your device. After that, go back and then go to device and battery care. Now go to storage. Here you will find your system category and see how much space it took up. Now go back again. After that, go to apps. Scroll down and then you should find all these system related settings. Then simply go over there, open it. This is storage booster and then go to its storage section, tap on clear cache. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.